What we've done here is we've adopted a red for a prototype because it just means we can identify the boards as they move through our quality processes. We just don't want to give you the ones that aren't finished yet. Traditionally, people always use the green because it was nice and cheap. The only colour you could get, really. These days you can have pretty much most colours. The nice thing about the red, certainly compared to the darker colours, is very easy to manufacture. Our technicians here are typically spending about 30% less time just because of the contrast ratio. We get a better yield out of it and faster response time for our prototype build. So that's the key reasons why we use reds. The Cranio system is a stacked modular design. The top hat here is the communications layer. This is the primary processor in the system. On here we've got full support for cellular networks, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, LoRa for long-range communications, and a lot of complex firmware to go on here. There is onboard logging through SD card here, however we use obviously the backhaul cellular, Ethernet or long-range communications to ensure that any data captured, which could be real-time data, is transported to a server. And that's going to be a key driver in our Internet of Things deployment, where we're looking at having a hub-based system 10 to 20 kilometers away from remote slave devices. We do have some applications now going on to mining sites, for instance, where they're very remote. And the system's designed to run at a very low power usage, just on pure solar energy with no batteries or main supplies. This module's trying to achieve quite a lot in a very small space. It's a very versatile system, as I say, and we never quite know exactly where it's going to go next, but we try to cater for everything.